this video, we're gonna have the unbox of this pretty little guy, the quick features and the sound quality, and the comparison of the sound with my belt and smartphone headset, and the comparison of 3 options for this cute Boya Lavalier microphone. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to have the unboxing of small thing that I purchased from Amazon UAE. The Boya Lavalier microphone, or a micro cravate. Look at the plastic bag. The packaging is too big, but the box inside is too small. Really cute. So let's get started to see what is inside. So let's see what's inside. This is some foam cover of the microphone, and the other one is Fury windshield. There is a clip, the manual, this is also a battery, this small one. It's together when you order this. And this one, it's the Fury windshield. These are the cover of the microphone. So this is the battery we don't need for now, so let's keep it inside the box. And what else? This one for amplifier, also for the sound card. What else inside? Nothing else. Look at the pouch, it's too cute, and I like the design. And this is the final item we need. So this little foam cover of this mic, you can put like this, and you can also choose whatever you want. This cute, like cat skin, I mean cat hair. Then the clip, you put it there down. This is how to open this small battery. You can put it here in this area. This is the slot for that battery. So in this part, you can see the button for the smartphone and camera. You can click the button up if you want, or if you have or using the camera. For smartphone, just scroll down the button. So if you are using the smartphone, you don't need to put this battery. But if you are using a action camera or something except the smartphone, then you have to insert the battery. This is the voice when I'm using this wired headset. So here is the sound using this mic without the cover. I clip on it on the same area in my chest, And now this is the sound of this foam cover. And right now this is my voice using this hairy cover of the microphone. How do you think?